Hi everyone, this is June at CTW Home Collection. I thought today I would give you some ideas on how to decorate our Laurel Three-Tier Tray. I know that you all have been hunkering down in the house and I thought we could just decorate it with some beautiful spring items. So what I thought I would do is start at the top. I picked a cute little bunny. And all these items, most of these items are in our line and we will give information or item numbers. And then I thought I would add some lavender in our mason jar flower frog. And then I have this cute photo holder. I love little vintage old cards. So I just cut that out and put that in there, which I think is really cute. And then one of our pretty textile tea towels, which is really nice. And then we sell these cute little garden cups. You can use this as a votive. We actually put one of our florals in there. We cut it up and just put one of the little flowers in there, which I think look really cute. And then down at the bottom, I thought I would put a clock, which is really sweet. And then I have these great cast iron, a pair of them, cast iron birds. And then we would add, I thought about adding a little bit more florals. This is our rosemary. You can actually put real rosemary in here and then cut it off and use it for cooking. And then our little glass jar kind of has a boho feel to it. And I just put some gumdrops in there, which I think are really cute. Oh, and also, you know what else I think it needs? I think it needs a candle. This is our Votive cup that looks like a flower, which I think is so sweet. Let me see, I'll light that and see how it looks. And then what you can do is just add something to the outside. Just one of our bunnies that are on a little pedestal, which is really cute. But yeah, this will brighten up any space. I think it's looks nice and springy, or for Mother's Day. The nice thing about it is too, I didn't mention, this three-tier tray does break down, so it's nice. You can store it when you don't want to use it. Well, happy Mother's Day or happy